A sidewalk out front of a single-story home connected to other units. The sign out front reads, "One-bedroom model. Handicap accessible. Equal housing opportunity." An interior with an open floor plan. A kitchen with hanging lights over an island with cushioned stool seats on either side. A sliding glass door in the living room at the back wall. Stainless steel look appliances and white cabinetry. Hardwood look floors. A doorbell camera and keyless entry system with a screen inside. A bedroom with a bed filled with pillows. Flanked by 2 nightstands. A walk-in closet with clothes hangers and a window in the back. A walk-in shower with a sliding glass door. Framed artwork behind a couch in the living room. Glass coffee table. Overhead fan with light fixture and recessed lights over the kitchen and entryway. A fenced backyard with plant-covered barriers and a Connect 4 game. A grill beside a back patio. The gabled entryway to a 2-bedroom model. A similar interior living space with an open floor plan. A kitchen to the right at the back by glass sliding doors with a living room area to its left. 2 couches opposite a flat-screen TV. A front bedroom with a wide window with curtains and blinds. 2 nightstands flank the bed with a desk. A bathroom. Another bedroom with a side view window, walk-in closet. A bathroom with a double vanity and walk-in shower. A fenced backyard with plant-covered barriers and a Jenga block game in a gravel-bordered AstroTurf yard with a grill and patio chairs. A community lounge with a pool outside. Fitness center. Game room. Snack bar. Patio seating. Tables with umbrellas by Grills. Yardly by Taylor Morrison.